Hey guys, what's up? So it is day 3 of break, and I'm not really bored yet because I still have a lot of things to do during break. But during the end of break, I get really bored. But luckily, I have YouTube to keep me company, right? Okay. So it's so hot outside that me and my friend had to go in my backyard where there's only shade. We hooked up a hose and we started playing in the hose and we made a puddle and we started. So now my friend can hang out till next Saturday, so I'm going to be bored till next Saturday. So what we're going to do today, we're going to be listening to a few songs. And I'm going to tell you guys a few facts about the human body. So, I'm really excited to be doing this. And this is going to be a pretty long video. So just sit back, relax, follow along. So, let me turn up the volume. Oh wow. Yeah.
I will try to do my best to keep you safe inside this nest and keep the gravity from pulling you to earth. I'd like to say it gets more clear when it's more cloudy every day. But somehow it's coming through the stormy clouds and all the clouds away. You're not that fragile anymore. I know what's there behind that door is just waiting for things to pull you in. I know you think you're safe
And here that is the way wall. But
I can't put house together, not letting the after fall. When you think it's gonna be the best world, everything will change. Everything will change. So come shut. But I can't you if you're ready or you're not. So close your eyes, say goodbye to spring. Cause when it's just around the bend, don't make a sound.
And close your eyes and say goodbye.
Yeah.
Sleep, little girl. Cause when you wake, it's gonna be a different world. Everything will change. Everything will change. The door's slamming shut. It's gonna catch you if you're ready or you're not. So close your eyes and close your eye to spring. Cause when you wake, it's gonna be a different world. The door's slamming shut. It's gonna catch you if you're ready or you're not. So close your eyes and say goodbye. Okay, now that that's over, we are going to do the 37 interesting facts about the human body. So let's get started. Okay, the human in the average adult, the skin covers 12 to 20 square feet of feet and accounts for 12% of the body weight. 2. There are more than 600 individual skeletal muscles in the human body. 3. An adult skeleton has 213 bones. 4. Cartilage is one of the few tissues that grow throughout life. Between ages of 30 and 70, a nose might grow half an inch, and the ears might grow a quarter of an inch. 5. A newborn skull contains gaps between its bony plates. In an adult, the jack plates interlock tightly like a jigsaw puzzle. 6. The average human head has about 100,000 hairs. 7. As a person ages, the diameter of each hair on the head shrinks. Hair is thinning in the early 20s, but at age 70, it can be as fine as a baby. Aging also causes hair to grow where it is not wanted, such as the nose and ears, and fall out where it is desired. 8. Hundreds of billions of neurons carry electrical signals that control the body from the brain and the spinal cord. 9. After sustaining trauma to the brain, such as an injury, stroke, or infection, some people develop alien hand syndrome, a condition where the victim can feel sensation in the hand, but has no control over the movement and does not sense the hand as a part of the body as it belongs to an alien being. 10. The Greek philosopher Aristotle believed that the brain exists mainly to help cool spirit. It is now known that the brain controls nearly every function in the body and the mind. 11. When the pituitary gland malfunctions, it can boost or reduce the amount of growth hormones in a growing child's body, resulting in gigantism or dwarfism. 12. The senses are highly attuned to our world. They have no limits. For example, humans cannot see the ultraviolet spectrum as bees do, nor can they differentiate between hundreds of millions of odors that a bloodhound can. 13. The appendix has no function in modern humans. It is believed to have part of the digestive system in our primitive ancestors. 14. Humans smell in stereo. Sense signals from each nostril travel to different regions in the brain. This may help a person determine the direction the odor is coming from. 15. The skin contains approximately 640,000 sense receptors scattered unevenly over the body's surface. These receptors are most abundant in the ridges of the fingertips and lips, at the top of the tongue, or the tip of the tongue, in the palms, and in the soles of the feet, and in the genitals. 16. As an estimated 5 million olfactory receptors are clustered in the membrane at the upper part of our nasal passages. Finish it first. The receptors help us distinguish among thousands of different odors. There are about 9,000 taste buds on the surface of our tongue, in the throat, and on the roof of our mouth. Taste buds contain receptors that respond to chemicals from the food and other substances that dissolve in the saliva. 18. Humans produce about 10,000 gallons of saliva in a lifetime. Saliva is required for taste. Until food is dissolved by saliva, we cannot taste it. Hearing is one of the less acute senses in humans, compared to the many other animals, which can detect sounds at much higher and lower frequencies than humans can. 20. As humans grow older, the lens in the eye grows thicker. This is why people had perfect vision often need glasses in their 40s. 21. An adult human body contains approximately 100 trillion cells. 22. The body carries about 25 trillion red blood cells. The most abundant cells in the body, red blood cells, make up about 45% of the body's volume. 23. Every hour, about 180 million new foreign red blood cells enter the bloodstream. Red blood cells are basically shells. Before being released from the bone marrow, most of the red blood cells' internal structure is ejected, creating a disc of blood-shaped balloon. That is ideal for carrying oxygen and small amounts of the body's carbon dioxide. 24. White blood cells, or leukocytes, make up about 1% of blood. This number can double within a day when a body responds to infection. 25. The circulatory system of arteries, veins, and capillaries is about 60,000 miles long. 26. The heart beats more than 2.5 billion times in an average lifetime. 27. Unlike other muscles, the heart muscle contracts without stimulus from the nervous system. Signals from the heartbeat come from the central node from the top of the right atrium. 28. In a healthy adult, the small intestine can range between 18 and 23 feet long, about 4 times longer than a person is tall. Okay. About 90% of the body's nutrients are absorbed in the bloodstream in the small intestine. 29. At about 5 feet in length, the large intestine is shorter than the small intestine. However, it is more spacious. And yeah. 30. There are approximately 400 feet of specific tubules in the testicles of a human male. This is where sperm start release 200 million to 500 million sperm, which is capable of fertilizing an egg. 31. During ovulation, the number of white blood cells in the cervical mucus drops dramatically. If it does not, the white blood cells will destroy all Freudian bodies, including sperm. 32. Unlike other cells, which contain individual full DNA, the egg and the sperm each contain only half the DNA required to create a new human. Both halves must be combined for a human to reproduce. 33. Proper diet is critical for the brain developing children. The brain of children who have died of malnutrition during the first year of life have fewer brain cells and overall smaller size than brains of healthy children. 34. DNA is the basic building block of life. It is a long molecule containing the four chemical bases: adrian, guanine, thymine, and calcium. 35. The human genome, half of its DNA content, single nucleus, contains about 31 billion base pairs. 36. 6 billion sets of DNA are contained in a single cell. The DNA can be stretched 6 feet, but it's coiled up in the cell's nucleus, which measures only that much in diameter. 37. The maximum length of a mammal's life is generally related to its size. Thus, a man's lifespan, however, between a goat and a horse between 10 and 30 years. However, humans have developed ways to protect themselves from predators and disease, increasing the average lifespan to 74.7 years in the United States. That's the end. Bye! This is my longest video.